Hey guys, JC20 Tech here. So I have on this boating fold step down for Seadoo, and this is supposed to help out, or it's a pedal that should help you out when you try to onboard back into your jet ski. So I'm going to be installing this in my boat, and I have a position here. It has two holes already drilled in. Now if you don't have any hole in your jet ski, all you need to do is get a drill bit, 5 mm, and try to drill into these holes before you install your pedal. All right, so we'll get into it. Right, so we got it all fixed up, tight and nice.